Now, when a demon speaks, I will know that a demon is talking. When Holy Spirit speaks, I will know that this is from the Spirit of the Most High God. Who is Atonuko? Atonuko should close his acid-filled mouth. He's not speaking for the Igbos. We the Igbos, we don't respect money, but we make money. It is money that goes errand for us. I'm an Igbo man. Money goes errand for me. You can never see me fall because of money. Before money, I fall before God. I respect God. So if Atonuko is the richest Igbo man, that is for his kinsmen, that is for Atonuko and the Nduko in Oyagwabag. I am from Anambra State. So Atonuko can never speak for me, nor speak for every people. All of us in Otocha, Atonuko cannot speak for us. Okay, Atonuko is talking this nonsense. That's why I invited the Fulanis and bought land at Enugu Agidi and the camp Fulani terrorists at Enugu Agidi of Anambra State. Atonuko is telling us that we should support Tinubu regime. We did not vote for Tinubu, and I want to assure Atonuko that if Tinubu contests another election, we are not going to vote for him. Come what may, another election that is coming, Tinubu is going to score less than what is scored last year in Igbo land. We don't worship money. We don't worship psychophancy. We don't worship thievery. We don't worship crookedness. We don't worship evil. We don't celebrate people that are bent on stealing money that belongs to the entire countries. We don't worship them. So Atonuko is entitled to his own opinion. If Tinubu lies, he should make Atonuko tomorrow the vice president. Igbo man remains whom he is. I'm Igbo man, I remain whom I am. Arthureze can never detect for the entire Igbo nation. Arthureze is an errand boy to Fulani outside hegemony. According to him, how he made his money. If he's the richest Igbo man, for him and his kinsmen, for Christ's sake, Atupo, if you Tupo, or Yagwa back in Anambra State, it doesn't matter. What matters in our mind is that Arthureze should go and command, give instruction to those Fulani herdsmen in camp at Enugu Agidi to vacate that land because failure to do so, if they keep on perpetrating their terrorist act across Igbo land, I believe and I supposedly think that their graves, the graves of those Fulani armed men, should be scattered all over Igbo land. Arthureze is not in his right senses as I'm talking to you now. Arthureze is the black sheep of Igbo race. We don't believe in him. We will never ever be his own errand men or his slaves. We can never play eye service before a man that is as wicked as Jezebel and Ahab. See, let me tell you, Atonuko is just talking nonsense. It's not making sense at all. If you have money and your kinsmen, your tribesmen abandon you, it means your money is nothing. We don't know him as a rich man, though. We know Atonuko as an oppressor who has been politically oppressing that state for many years. All the government projects coming to that constituencies and Igbo land, Arthureze and the Wanyang, they block it, pocket the money. They think we don't know. But I know that Anambra State suffered a lot under the watch of Arthureze as a political godfather of the Igbos. Now, it is playing back on him because nobody is believing him anymore. He should go and author. If he authors, he's going to author what Igbo and Oyagwa Bagara people, not the entire Igbos. They should go and remove those Fulani herdsmen to vacate Igbo land before it is getting late.
So you don't see any hope that Tinubu can transform Nigeria in 8 years? At least, it's just to give him, at least Tinubu has 7 years. You don't see that Tinubu can do something? Give
him more 7 years so that Nigeria will sink to the last bottomless pit. Give Tinubu more 7 years. Everywhere will be on fire. in Nigeria. Tinubu is not competent to rule Nigeria. He's a man of questionable character. You can't take him by his words because he's a man that has many colors. I don't believe him. I don't believe anybody, any circle or area that is of that opinion is not going to change anything. See, barely 12 months, Nigeria is in the worst situation ever. Worse than the way he met Nigeria. Okay, I am not a gullible Igbo man, and I'm not a fool. I don't believe in Tinubu. I reject it. I don't believe it. And I think this discussion has to stop. It now sits me. It makes me as if I'm gonna vomit. No, discussing and talking about Tinubu.
It's arthureze, you know.
Arthureze is for his own opinion. He's talking his own opinion. I don't value him. I don't trust him. He can never be with me. I can't be with him. And that Arthureze can never be my father. He couldn't be even my brother. He's well known for notoriety, infamousness. Infamousness. He's too wicked. Arthureze is a man that we know, full of what? Animosities and hostilities in Igbo land. Grabbing people's land. I don't believe him. And what he's saying is wrong. Tinubu can never do Igbo man anything. Nothing good can ever come from Tinubu to Igbo man.
But sorry, but arthureze, has he not, has he not helped the youth or the Igbo people, as an Igbo man?
No, he did not. No.
Wow.
His money is for him and his family. I've never had. Beggars who go to him, they beg, he gave them money. That's why they call him an Arthur. 100,000 before he was Arthur 1,000. Now maybe he's Arthur 1 million. I don't beg. And for both watcher, we don't beg. We farm, we work, we do business. God blesses us. I can never be part of Arthureze. My kinsmen, all of us, torture, we can never be subjected to what? Servitude, slavery. No.
And lastly, ekpa said that Tinubu was poisoned. And Nigerians are clamoring for where of Tinubu whereabouts. Do you actually think what ekpa is saying is the right thing? Or, because we've not seen president for like 7 days or more now. So I don't know what's really going on.
Thank you so much. Excuse me. Not only someone that speculates that. It's a general speculation from many circles, from many areas, from many people that Mr. President may have been poisoned. It's not only that Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa has his rights. He's entitled to his opinion. So it's everybody's opinion. Like me, I don't believe in poisoning. What I know is that he's playing game because he wants to divert attention from the coastal line project. Many projects are about, many establishments and landed properties and houses are going to go down along the coastal line of Lagos to Cross River State. And Tinubu is trying to hide away from what public appearances. No, I'm not of that opinion that is poison. No. Simon Ekpa is entitled to his opinion. Any other person in the world is entitled to his opinion.
Thank you.
How can the arthureze wake up and say this? That Igbos should not bother, we should not worry, we should not, condemn Tinubu. What is Mr. Arthureze under Buhari regime? 8 years. Arthureze should tell Igbos what Buhari done to Igbos, has done to Igbos for 8 years that he ruled Nigeria. 8 years suffering. Waiting Buhari to tell. What is the provision that Buhari provide to Igbos, to Easterners? Now you come to Tinubu, now, which is a side patient, which you know this, because he's benefiting from there. Because he's protecting him in business. So that they will not go after him. That's why he's telling the Igbos that you keep quiet, that you no talk. Abi? After that you go and relax. If you don't know what to say, let you go and relax. Arthureze is there that Igbos are suffering in Nigeria. Arthureze is there that Igbo there's nowhere to find in the power of seat. When the Nigeria will remember the Igbos, as long as the power is concerned. After they killed Agiresi in 1966, the Igbo man have smelled that's a power of seat. The seat of power. And Igbo man have smelled there. So what an arthureze have coming out now telling Igbos. Igbos will keep quiet. Igbos have a 70% since after Nigeria Biafra war. We have been there enough. So why are you coming out now telling Igbos they should keep quiet, they should not complain? It's me that we are sleeping. It's me that we are nothing. It's me that we don't know what we are doing. It's me that Igbos are nothing. That's what they are trying to tell us. That we should continue looking at Anyanya. According to Igbo, my people. And we should continue looking at Anyanya. After 1970, Nigeria Biafra war. Now arthureze come out now telling Igbos that you know lament. No. That's not how to put sense. That's not how to say to address issue. Arthureze is a wedded man. He's a richest man. As we are talking about, he's a part of the country. He's a billionaire. He's okay with his family. Then his brothers and sisters are suffering all over Nigeria. Igbo man is nowhere recognized in Nigeria, in anywhere in Nigeria. Igbo man is nowhere recognized in Abuja, seat of power. They will just give you a little. They will just give you one kind of post that will hurt you. Anywhere that is hot, that's why they will put Igbo man to. And arthureze said that we should remain calm, that we should start patient. Under this administration, arthureze was there. Arthureze is there. After 2023 election, his brother won the election. And they manipulated under the election. Tinubu hijacked the election. Then gang up and hand over to Tinubu. Arthureze is there. It doesn't mention, it doesn't utter a word. What is the Labour Party won Lagos State? Arthureze is there. What the Westerners is robust that did Igbos in Lagos State. They come out after Igbos. Arthureze is there. The Arthureze utter any single word. The Arthureze said anything against what they are doing to Igbo after the 2023 election, because of election in name of one Nigeria. Who is fooling who? Can you continue to bully me? No. No, he cannot continue to be fooling me. Arthureze is a wedding man. He don't care what his people is facing or what his people is passing through in this country. He don't care because he's okay. In pocket is okay. In family is okay. Everything is okay with him. He don't think where he come from. Look at statues. Look at how statues is this. He is. Arthureze to tell me any federal project in the eastern part of this country, any single federal project in the eastern part of the country, Arthureze to come and tell Igbos any single project done by federal government. Arthureze to come and tell the whole Igbos. Since after Nigeria Biafra war, Nigeria promised 7 and 8, promised that they will put everything in order in the eastern part of the country. At the end of the day, to date, nothing. Federal government does not ever touch Igbo land, apart from the west and the north. Everything, the west and the north. And what they are using to develop all those land is coming from that eastern region. Arthureze is there where they are killing the Igbos where they are, frustrating the Igbos in Lagos, in the north. What on Arthureze have achieved to Igbos? He's a billionaire, he's a millionaire, he's a billionaire, he's a trillionaire. What has he done, has he achieved to Igbos? What has Arthureze have done to Igbos? What scholarship Arthureze have given the Igbo? Arthureze does not remember that the Igbos are suffering in this country. He couldn't remember. Because of the condition they put to the Igbos in this country, that's why you see Igbos scattered all over the world. That's why they go all over the world, scatter themselves, struggle to survive. They struggle to survive. No single project in the East, anything you see in the East is by the youth. The youth struggle to put anything in the East. According as he went to East now, you see how it be. The difference that we are seeing in Igbo land tonight is the youth. The struggle of the Igbo have to go out and struggle and come back and to blow their land. Federal government have not done anything. Federal government of Nigeria have not done anything in the southeast. And that also is there. So that we say certain person with the Tinubu. The Tinubu love Igbos. You love Igbo, you take our mandate. You know that this is the turn of Igbo to rule Nigeria. To take over that power. You come and hijack it. And you start to come out to telling me that I should accept president for Tinubu, I should not talk. I should not complain. Under Buhari, we were a president 8 years, nothing. Nothing happened. I don't see any hope from this government. Do you see any hope? People are dying here and here. Boko Haram have power. People are coming. Even Nigerian army, backing herdsmen. They are backing herdsmen. They are backing herdsmen. They are backing herdsmen to terrorize the whole region. Nigerian army preparing them. But if it is Easterners, they will nearly clear the Igbos. They will clear the Igbos. They have come after Igbo, they clear them. But look at what the henchman is doing. Nobody asks a question. Right now the soldier, Nigerian military will back in them. Now they are telling me to accept a church in this regime. Who carry the regime? Who carry the regime? What have I benefit? What have you benefit in this country? Nothing. And you are telling me to accept patient? What kind of patient? What kind of patient I was society in this government? Why wouldn't I complain? Why wouldn't I challenge them? They have nothing to offer. You hijack what belongs to what belongs to another person. You think that it will be well with you? No. It will never be well. You can never do it. You can never get it.
You can't even get it.
Rather you get it. You get more this thing.
You walk of 100,000.
Rather you sit outside and that's what you gain. Because you are jacking another person's mandate. You understand? What is our money? Where's money? People are suffering. People are hungry. One man he died last night. I was away where people were lamenting. One man died because of hunger. The woman eated the intestine because of hungry. Maybe the man don't know how to ask, I beg, help me. I'm hungry. Somebody like me, I don't know how to beg. Or let people who I know that I can maybe, ask. I can't come out now, I'm begging. No. The man don't die Sarah because of hunger. What type of government is this? How can we control like this? Who can control like this, my brother? After that, you go and relax. Stop deceiving Igbos. Because your family is okay, you're okay. You're telling Igbos don't you not complain? What percent? What percent? You are there. See what they are doing to their people. You are there. Igbos are dying. Here Igbos are suffering. Please, after that you go and relax one corner. After that you leave Igbos alone. You leave Igbos alone. It's in Nigeria. Let him go work with them. Let him work with Tinubu, work with the APC. Because they are the one that put us in this mess.
Hey, is that what's going on, man?
He said Tinubu, who can go up against Jonathan? Put Jonathan away. Said that Buhari is the Messiah. Our Nigeria was suffering after they put Jonathan away, hoping that Buhari will turn things aside, turn things to be good. At the end of the day, where we are. After Buhari nothing, this one come a miracle, now he turn. What is not in turn? He's a hijacker. And they supported him now. Everybody are complaining, everybody is crying. If they do not cry again. It's whatever you sow, you reap it. Whatever you sow, you reap. So I tell you to go and work with Tinubu. It's in Nigeria. I'm not a Nigerian, I'm a Biafra. I still believe where I come from. Biafra will never die. And I can never deny my religion. I can never deny my country. I know where I come from. Arthureze is a Nigerian. Let him work with Nigeria, with his family. Let him continue working with Nigeria. When brothers are dying, hand in hand of country, devilish Nigeria, devilish country. No, enough is enough, my brother. Enough is enough. Thank you very much. Thank you.